I like this one, guys. This is the Pro Smart Wireless and Bluetooth Meat Thermometer from Amazon. It is on the expensive side. The quality is really good. The durability is pretty good. One thing to note is the thermometer itself needs to be in the meat properly, or you can burn up the actual thermometer and it won't work anymore. So you have to do it the correct way and make sure you're putting it into the line as indicated in the instructions. Functionality is good. It's Bluetooth and wireless, so you'd be able to check the meat as long as you're within range of your Wi-Fi. So definitely recommend it. Cool product. So let me show you my initial impressions. Hey, I got a quick review video for you. So this is a thermometer that you can use when you're barbecuing or baking stuff in the oven. And you basically stick this needle here into the meat. And you've just got to make sure that it goes past this little line right here. That's just for the safety of the device. And then you can leave this device in the grill or in your stove while you monitor the temperature on your phone. So it connects via Bluetooth, and then it also has a connection through the Wi-Fi that has a continuous in the cloud information. So regardless of how close you are to the grill, you'll still be able to receive the temperature of your meat. The product's pretty cool. It's got a nice pads on the bottom. You have your power button here, which is also used to double click. That's to connect the Bluetooth the first time you set it up. And then there's a reset button to reset the entire thing. So the ambient temperature can go up to a maximum of 660 degrees Fahrenheit. And then the temperature range for the internal piece, which would be what's inside the actual meat, that's this end, the smaller end, is going to be up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's very important that you do not leave this part exposed, or I should say anything past this little line right here that they put exposed in your grill or your oven, because it'll get too hot and it will nuke the whole device. But as long as you have this in properly, then you should get a good reading. Pairing is really easy. They give you this quick guide and you just download the application and follow the instructions. So let me show you that application. So pretty basic. Up at the top left there, you can see that's the thermometer itself. It's got full battery. It's connected via Bluetooth. And then my receiver is in the center and it connects to my cell phone via Bluetooth and wireless. As I said before, anything that happens with this is put onto the wireless cloud. So even if you're not within Bluetooth range, you're still going to get a reading on your whatever you're cooking. So as far as the meat app, not a lot to it. Top right, the 3 dots, your options, your firmware update. This is obviously where you would check to see if there's any updates. And it looks like I have one. So let me do that real quick. All right. So that's one of the first things that you should do when you get your new device. The setup is really easy. It tells you how to do it, self-explanatory. So down here at the bottom, you can see home, which is this screen. You got history. I did a steak and some fish previously, so you can come in here and look at my fish project or my fish cook. And it basically shows you all the details of how the process of heating up went and how fast it met its target temperature. So kind of cool. And you can watch it all real time, so that's awesome. In the settings, just a couple basic things, how you read your temperature. And then if you start your grill, basically you have your thermometer here and you're gonna go ahead and get it set up in the meat before you put it on the grill. You're gonna hit start. And this is gonna basically help you cook it how you want to. So we'll say we're gonna do some steak, and I like mine medium to medium rare. We'll go with medium. So we'll go with that. It looks like the target temperature for that is 145 degrees. So we're gonna hit confirm. All right, and we're gonna throw it on the grill now. So after you throw it on the grill, you can just basically sit back, and as you can see on the left there, the internal temperature is rising up. So as soon as it goes all the way to the target over there, then it's going to set off an alarm if you select the alarm here. So you can set it up how you want to notify you, or you can just watch it real time. So that's kind of cool. The ambient temperature is an important one to watch because, as we mentioned before, just over 600 degrees, obviously that's really hot, but if it gets any hotter than that, it can destroy the thermometer, so you definitely don't want that to happen. So as soon as it meets its thing, it'll be end cook, and it'll save it as a event. So you can come in here in the history and see this one here that we just did, and that's how it looks.